Real fast, I'm going to tell you about a couple changes I'm going to make to my YouTube channels. Nothing drastic. I have 2 channels, as most of you all know. Actually 3, but unless if you're into weddings, you won't care about one. The other 2 are this one, RunningChiefGeronimo, and the other one is Adventure Underground. Adventure Underground has been anything underground related, caves, cave trips. RunningChiefGeronimo is everything else. Well, I was thinking about the adventure part of Adventure Underground, and that channel is going to become anything high adventure. My hikes, off-road with vehicles, rappelling, and still caving. It may include some vehicle modifications or some gear reviews too, but it's going to be anything that's high adventure related. Don't unsubscribe to RunningChiefGeronimo, because this one isn't going anywhere, but it's going to be more of anything that's not high adventure, wildlife, for example. So subscribe to Adventure Underground, the link will be below, and follow me on that channel too for high adventure, and then stay tuned to this channel, wildlife or nature or weather, anything like that.